I look like shit. Let's get up and get ready.
It's been months, it's been two.
Did you go to the beach? Did you go to the beach?
Strong, baby, fuck what you're doing now. Quit doing that right now, baby. I got better things for you to do. Got better things for you to see. Got a better place for you to live. And a better place for you to be. Oh, baby, I'm honest. These kids says that you're mad when I'm on it. Running through the city, you know that I'm on it.
It's right up there.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to the beach. It's pretty windy. So let's go. My mom braided my hair. I love it. Yeah. Oh my ugly toes. Oh, it's so weird. It's actually so nice. Guys, watch this. Watch what I'm doing right there.
Listen to that music side.
Now you have to do push-ups. Go. 10. Okay. He's only doing it for the vlog, not for himself.
I just did 50. Bitch. I'm only doing it for the vlog, right? When I wanted to do 50.
I'm joking. I'm joking, guys. We did do 50. That's now 60.
Tell me you wanna stay. Tell me you wanna stay.
That's it for today. I just made myself some rolls for lunch. Just 2 rolls with cheese. Nothing extravagant because we're gonna go to the shop now. Yo, I'm so hungry.
What, Oscar? What, Oscar? What?
Big street.
Hello? Hello?
So we're gonna go to the shop right now just to get a few things for supper and stuff. Guys, I don't even know what this vlog is. I'm just recording a vlog because I haven't filmed the video in so long. And I wanted to film a video so badly because I love filming videos and I love editing. But I haven't filmed the video in so long. So if this video is all over the place, I'm sorry.
Oscar, say hi! Say hi!
Guys, like my eyelashes, I called them. Remember what the last time I recorded a YouTube video I didn't have blonde hair. I have blonde hair now.
You see that fire mark going into that bush there? You took that corner too fast and you put
This was the song back in 2015. healthy food because we're healthy. That's a lie. After yesterday. Look at it. It's got a booty. Excuse me. We're not together anymore. We're over. We're done. We're done.
I slap all these out.
We're done. We're done. Klaar.
What's that actor's name?
Finished.
What's that,
The one who acted as fucking. No, that's even.
Ja.
Donuts.
These are
These look fresh. The Lemingtons is pretty steep. Oh, you get pink ones. No. Something more. Chippies. Tom. No slow. Hold on, I got no legs. So I'm excited. We got Lemingtons. Some chippies.
Oh, thanks.
Cheers. Okay, so this is what we're having for supper. So we have baked beans, corn, I'm joking, a mealie, ribs, and 2 drumsticks for chicken with the rib sauce on it. So I'm excited. Does it taste good? Wait until I have the rib, and I'm gonna be like this. That's good. How? Would you prefer that or chicken?
This.
Nah.
Nah, bruh. Nah, dude. No. That's you. That's you. Like a rich woman. Nah, dude. And she's gonna zoom in.
No, I won't. Just there.
Zoom in. Zoom in. Zoom in.
And get a kiss.
And zoom in. Sound effect.
Guys, this rib is so good. We are having like cravings, so I'm gonna make us some 2-minute noodles. I'm never allowed to eat 2-minute noodles, so I'm happy right now. I'm gonna cut up some bananas because I'm gonna put it in the noodles. You guys can't forget the cheese. You can't forget the cheese. It's like, you can't forget it. It's a must. Listening. That's how you make 2-minute noodles. Look at that shit. Taste test. I wonder who made it. Good night. Oh, this is so good. Bye. And cut. Peace out, y'all. Get some dick if you haven't already. What's this? Okay, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. And yeah. Bye. Oh wait, and comment down below how ugly he is out of 10. I'm
Comment
kidding.
down below. Yeah, comment.
Yeah.